Hello! Chinese New Year is around the corner and we are expecting the year of the dog. Over at Make, we want to start a new series of do-it-yourself videos starting with this cute little puppy lamp. You can position it in this way, or you can make it stand, wag the tail, have the head look up or down, and there's a little LED lamp for you to use as a night light or a reading light. Follow our video to find out how to make this puppy lamp and also stand a chance to win a special giveaway. Now let's run through the materials we need for this make. It's basically some ice cream sticks that are pre-drilled with holes at the ends, and then some screws and butterfly nuts. We also have some washers to create spaces in between the sticks, and then a simple disposable cup for the head. Now the size and the length of the sticks doesn't really matter, just make sure that you have all the matching parts that would work well together. Now let's go on to the assembly, which is really quite simple. Take one of the screws, put it through this side, the front leg, and the other screw through the back leg. Okay, now we're going to use one of the full-size bodies. Put it through. Okay, the first two washers go in here. Alright, then we get the first piece of the neck and the tail. Have it. So all you need is a plastic cup with two holes at the bottom for the two sticks to go through, and a little rectangular cutout for the LED strip to go through. That's it. Okay. And for the LED light, what we have is a little 3D printout, and there's a LED connected to it. All it runs is a simple button cell. Just put it into the hole cutout like that. And it's done. We have our puppy lamp. Okay, so that was a simple assembly video. If you want to have one of these, simply like our Facebook page, help us share this video, and tell us why you should be one of the lucky winners, and we will send you a ready kit to assemble this puppy lamp for the Chinese New Year.